Hello, let us get started. Options are financial contracts that are derivatives. They derive value from an underlying asset. The underlying asset can be a stock, index, commodity, currency, etc. For example, for Nifty options, underlying is Nifty. For Nifty Bank options, it is Nifty Bank. For Reliance options, it is Reliance. Types or building blocks of options. Call options, put options. What is a call option? Call option is a contract between a buyer and seller. Buyer has a right but not an obligation to buy an underlying asset at a fixed price on or before a specific date, that is expiry date. What is a put option? A put option also a contract between a buyer and seller. Buyer has a right but not an obligation to sell an underlying asset at a fixed price on or before a specific date, that is expiry date. In stock market, there are two buzzwords one commonly hears, bull and bear. Bull is one who expects the price to go up or rise. Bear is one who expects the price to go down or fall. When one is bullish, buy a call option. When one is bearish, buy a put option. Also, one is bullish, one can sell a put option, and one is bearish, one can sell a call option. For buying a call option, buying a put option, and selling a put option, videos are made and the links are in the description. This video is on selling a call. Before watching this video, you need to watch the videos on buying a call and trading in futures. The links are there in the description. Or simply you can visit my channel by searching on YouTube Vara space CA, that is VARA space CA. You will find all the videos there. Coming back to selling a call option, how will a seller of call option profit? You sell a call option, value of underlying goes down, call option price goes down, buy the call option at a profit. For example, a call option on Nifty is sold, Nifty goes down and Nifty call option price goes down, and buy the call option at a profit. Usually, investors and traders are used to the idea of buying first and selling later. But in trading, one needs to get used to the idea of selling first and buying later. Let us look at the scenarios one by one. Buy first, sell later. You buy something at say 800 and sell at 1000, profit is 200. In scenario 2, you sell first and buy later, sell at 1000 and buy at 800. The profit is 200. So in the scenario 2, how to get the maximum profit? You buy at 0 or close to 0, then maximum profit is 1000. So how to apply this idea to selling a put? Nifty weekly data from 15th May 20 to 21st May 20 is taken as an example. This is the same data we have seen in the video on buying a call. So this data will look familiar. Nifty range high and low for all 5 days is given for reference. Strikes and option premiums on 15th May, first day of contract, and 21st May, last date of contract are given. You already know out of money call options expire worthless. Now, have a look at 15th May table and out of money calls. Strikes 9200, 9250, 9300 are out of money calls. As Nifty keeps moving up and down, some strikes which are in the money may become out of money, or strikes which are out of money may become in the money. For example, during the contract period, if Nifty moves to 9300, then 9150, 9200, 9250 will become in the money calls. Or if Nifty moves to 9000, then 9150, 9100, 9050 will become out of the money calls. Now, let us have a look at the transaction, selling a call. You have assessed the market and thought market would go down and decided to sell 9,300 call at 104.05. Money to be received would be for one lot 75 into 104.05 would be 7,803.75. Break-even point would be 9,300 plus 104.05, that is 9,404.05. So, how will this transaction of selling a call happen? First, a sales order to sell a call is placed. Immediately, client account is checked for funds, whether there are enough funds for margin. If there are not enough funds, order is rejected. If funds are available, the sales order is processed. Seller sells 9,300 call for 7,803.75, that is 75 into 104.05. Buyer buys 9,300 call and pays the premium of 7,803.75. Seller receives premium of 7,803.75 as credit in the account. One can wait till expiry expecting the option to expire worthless and keep credit of 7,803.75, or if price target is reached, one can buy the call and square off, or if stop loss is hit, then also trade can be squared off by buying a call. This brings us to very important and significant aspect of selling a call. Risk profile of selling a call. Selling a call has unlimited risk and limited profit. I repeat, unlimited risk and limited profit. I will explain this with the following example. As expected, say Nifty has moved down and Nifty expired at these levels. At 9,200, the profit is at 7,803.75. At 9,100, the profit is 7,803.75. At 8,900, the profit is 7,803.75. Of course, we pay brokerage and some incidental charges. As a seller of call, the profit is limited to the premium received. No matter how much Nifty would fall, you will not receive a rupee more. On the other hand, if you look at this example, Nifty against your expectation keeps rising. Say Nifty expired at these levels. At 9,400, the profit is reduced to 303.75. At 9,500, the loss is at 7,196.25. At 9,600, the loss is more at 14,696.25. At 9,700, the loss has grown even more to 22,196.25. Now we understand, right? Unlimited risk, limited profit. Always keep this in mind. There are many ways in the market to explain selling options. You hear it is one of the ways for regular income to supplement your income, etc. That is true if you analyze the risk properly. If anyone trying to impress you that selling options, either a call or put, is the smartest and easiest way to earn a profit without talking about the risk, just do not walk away from that person. Please run. You know by now, if your market view is bearish, either you buy a put or sell a call. And you may be wondering whether when your view on market is bearish, whether to buy a put or sell a call. That would be next video, buying a put versus selling a call. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, share the video, pass the word to like-minded. Thanks for your attention. I appreciate it.